Welcome back, everyone. Michael here with Offshore Citizen. Today I'm going to discuss with you the Croatian Digital Nomad Visa. For those of you who have not been to Croatia, you should definitely go. It's actually a really beautiful country. The first time I was there, I thought to myself, this is, definitely gives Italy a run for its money. So from the Adriatic Sea is beautiful, clear water. Not really so much for sandy beaches, lots of rocky beaches, but really beautiful water, great architecture in places like Dubrovnik. Lake Plitvice, or however you pronounce it, very beautiful place, some nice natural parks. Just driving up the coast is very nice. Areas of Zagreb is a little bit of a quiet city, but the central area is very nice. I find there's nice food, nice people. So yeah, great place to go and visit. And it turns out they were one of the first to bring in a digital nomad visa. So we're going to talk today about what the rules are, how the taxes apply, etc. So let's dive in. Before we do, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit the all notifications bell. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for sharing the video. Please share it with your friends. We're really working hard to grow the channel, etc. And if you'd like help with these subjects of where to relocate, how to get residencies, citizenships, international tax optimization, asset protection, etc., please reach out to me. You can book a call, calendly.com/Michael-Rosmer, link in the description below, or send a message to our websites, offshorecitizen.net and offshorecapitalist.com. Okay, so very quickly, the Croatian Digital Nomad Visa is a one-year visa that you can get. You cannot extend it immediately. Okay, so you get the visa, you're allowed to live there for 1 year. Croatia notably is not a Schengen country, so there's that. At that point in time, you have to wait 6 months to apply again. So in theory, what can happen is you can, once the visa expires, you're legally allowed to stay in the country for another 90 days. And so then you'd have to leave the country and be out for another 90 days before you can apply again. So that's basically how it works, which is a little bit different than some of them. Some of them are, not renewable, and some of them actually, you can keep extending. So for example, places like Malta, Costa Rica, you have more ability to extend, and I've done some videos on those if you want to go and check them out. Next, what does it require? So as with most digital nomad visas, you basically need to prove that you're in a situation to support yourself financially without connection to Croatia. Okay, so in other words, you can't work in Croatia, you can't, have a Croatian business serving customers there and having operations, etc. Those things don't qualify. You have to have a foreign company that is providing your income or foreign investments, or work for a foreign employer either as a contractor or an employee. Okay, you have to demonstrate approximately $2,500 a month of income. The number is actually calculated in kuna, which is the local currency. So, based on the exchange rate, it will fluctuate, but approximately that much. You can do this by showing bank statements over time. It doesn't matter if this comes from pensions, from passive income, from earned income, from dividends, from royalties, from whatever. It could be any of those things, okay? No problems. So that's all good. For every family member you want to add, you have to increase that number slightly. Which brings us to the next part. You can, in fact, bring family members. That's not a problem. To get it, you need to provide a copy of your passport. You need a police clearance background check. This is a new requirement in 2021. It wasn't there when they first brought it in, announced it in 2020. You need to have medical insurance for the entire time of your stay. When you apply, you need to supply a Croatian address. However, you may not have a Croatian address at the time, so you can use a temporary one. That's not a problem. And then, completed application form, proof of what they call proof of purpose, which is basically demonstration that you're actually a digital nomad, as well as the proof of income to be there. So all of those things go nicely. What about taxes? So they created a modification in the tax law that exempts earned income from those foreign sources from Croatian tax. So you can be in Croatia for the year, you can earn income abroad, and you can pay no tax on it. Now, that's great. This residency permit works well in that regard. It may not protect you from taxes abroad. Like you have to make sure you're not going to pay taxes in your home country, but potentially it could be good. Next, that's only at this point in time for earned income. So passive income is still taxable. So be aware of that. So yeah, that's the deal. If I don't know whether you want to get that digital nomad visa or not. It's technically a residency permit, but whatever you want to do. I do think it's a great idea to visit Croatia at some point because, like I said, it's a beautiful, beautiful country, And for those who want, yeah, I mean, I think it's a great option as a place to go and see the world and spend some time there. So tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up. Again, book a call with me if you need help, and I'm going to look forward to seeing you on the next video.